Greetings from the Sunshine State. This is the last Fiona flower I created, in which I alternated the colors indigo blue, pearlescent turquoise, and copper with the pearl white. But today I plan to reverse those colors. I'll start with the copper and use the white in between each color, but then go from copper to pearlescent turquoise and then the indigo blue. And we'll see what happens. We'll see if it looks any different. So this time I'm going to do the colors backwards. Instead of starting with the indigo, I'll start with the copper. With the pearl white in between each color. And now the turquoise. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. that's very pretty. Again, pearl effects and 3D effects. It's amazing how the same colors, but in a reverse order, can give it a totally different look. There was one layer where I had two colors together instead of pearl white in between, and then for the very last layer I skipped the light blue and substituted the indigo blue. But there's still light blue in the middle. So let me know what you think. That's it for today. Have a good day. Here it is, the next day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.